Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing for you and it's one I've not done before. This brand reached out to me and asked if I would like to have some bits to unbox. And I buy stuff from them anyway, so I was like, yes please. And it's Protein World. I buy their pancakes and their mug cakes all the time. I love them. I've no idea what's in the box. I just said, I'm easy, but don't send me anything with caffeine. So yeah, they give me a discount code, which I will link down below. But let's have a look and see what's in it, because I'm excited. I came yesterday and the kids were like, snack box! And I was like, not for you. They were very sad. I can't get in it. My brain was like, how do you use a knife just then? I was like, stabby. Ooh! Oh, there's lots. I'm excited. Okay, so I've got pancake mix. I've had the chocolate chip pancakes before. I've never had this one. So that's 200 calories, original flavour, which I assume is just like normal pancake or maple, I imagine. I'm not sure, but I will let you know. Yay. I've got a multivitamin. I was literally thinking this morning, I need some vitamins because Christ on a bike, I just feel so tired all the time. One dose is 2 capsules. So it's 45 days worth of vitamins there. I will put all the prices on the screen for everything as I'm doing it. Oh, I've got a mug cake, a chocolate caramel chew mug cake. I've not had that one before. Again, I've had the vanilla chocolate one. These are just so good. I have these, the mug cakes. I do them for breakfast. And then I put like Greek yogurt on them and then some strawberries and banana and stuff. And they're just fucking banging. I love them. So, yep, awesome. And then I've got a scoop. What are you? What are you? Oh, it's a protein shaker. It's a protein shaker. Oh, it's the metal one. That's very nice. And it's black, like my soul. That's really nice. I really like that. It's a nice metal one. I've never seen a metal one of those before. I just thought protein shaker things were plastic. I've got some bars. Oh, salted caramel. Get in my face. Yummy. Oh, chocolate brownies get in my fucking face. Yum. And there's one last thing. Oh, pizza mix. Didn't know they did that. So 80 gram serving is 200. Oh, so per 80 gram serving plus half a teaspoon of olive oil is 310 calories for the base. That's really good. I'm excited for that. How many servings have we got in there? I can't work it out. Oh, 6 servings, and so you can make 6 pieces of that. And then each base has got 14 grams of protein, and it's pea protein. That's amazing. I'm very excited for that. If you don't know, I'm trying to lose weight. I'm nearly down 2 stone now since the end of November. And protein is a really big part of keeping you filled up, feeling like you're full. So I'm very excited for this. Thank you so much to Protein World for sending it to me. That's amazing. I'm going to start redoing my what I eat in a day videos starting from next week. So I will start to incorporate these within my days. I'm probably going to have a mug cake today, if I'm honest, because I haven't had any breakfast yet and they look amazing. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll leave the code down below if you want to have a little try of anything. But yeah, thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.